Make your own natural body scrub at home using simple ingredients. This natural body scrub will leave your skin baby soft, deeply exfoliated, and smelling amazing without any harsh ingredient. Here is why exfoliating your skin is important. It removes dead skin cells, revealing brighter, smoother, and more radiant skin. Prevent clogged pores, enhance product absorption, and boost collagen production. Welcome to Rachel Etta TV. My name is Rachel. Over here with Glow and Grow. In a heat-resistant container, I put in some Olivem 1000. Olivem 1000 reduces transepidermal water loss, acts as a moisturizer, improves skin hydration, and protects skin barrier. So it is a great ingredient for body scrub. Now after that, I put in some cetyl alcohol, which is a thickener and it has emulsifying properties and soften the skin. After that, I put in some emulsifying wax and then I put in some shea butter. Shea butter moisturizes and hydrates the skin. After that, I put in some mango butter. Mango butter soothes irritation and protect the skin from sun damage. After that, I put in some sunflower oil. Sunflower oil is rich in linoleic acid and vitamin A and other nutrients that help hydrate, soften, and protect the skin from environmental damage. Then I put in some palm kernel oil, which protects the skin from aging and sun damage. It is also very moisturizing and hydrating, soothes irritation, and I covered it with aluminum foil. I'm going to put that in a double boiler and I'll bring it back after it is melted. Here now it is fully melted and the work now begins. With the wicks, I will be wixing it all around. You have to do it from when it is hot to when it is cold. So I'll be wixing it. When you're wixing this, you'll be thinking, oh, the work is not getting done. But don't worry, just trust the process. Keep wixing and everything will work out. Now, the reason for putting that emulsifying wax that I put in there, you use your scrub in the bathroom after you have showered and you're still in the bathroom. That is when you use your scrub. So the water that might go inside the scrub, for it not to spoil, that is why you put in emulsifying wax a little bit. As you can see, the quantity was not much. So after scrubbing your skin, you will rinse that off before coming out of the bedroom. So I don't want to confuse anyone that has not been scrubbing their body, exfoliating their body. Now look at that. I tested the temperature to see if it is time to put the cool down ingredient. Now below 40 degrees Celsius, I am putting in some vitamin E oil and tocopherol. These are both vitamin E, but the tocopherol is a more potent vitamin E, which is a strong antioxidant that reduces itchiness, and also it helps with conditions like eczema and psoriasis. It reduces wrinkles and appearance of fine lines too. Now I put in some liquid Jamal Plus, which is our broad spectrum preservative, and I also put in, before the liquid Jamal Plus, I put in some fragrance oil. Now it's time for the color and I'm putting in mica. Mica is not just a color. Mica, it also helps with beautifying your skin, like minimizing pores, because it is a natural mineral. Now mixing that, I need to put in more mica. Now, because I want this color to be like the bubble gum kind of pink. Yes, that's what I'm trying to achieve here. But I don't want to, overdo it too. So that's why I'm putting the mica little by little so I can, gauge it. Now I'm mixing that all around. Everything is coming together. Now when you see me do that, the color you see when it is dripping is what the scrub is going to look like. So I decided to add in some more mica. I think this color is what I am liking. Yeah, this color right now is what I am liking. That's the color I want the scrub to look like. I set that aside and it's time to measure the star ingredient, that is our abrasive, and I'm using sugar, white sugar. You can use any abrasive of your choice, but I really love sugar because it is wonderful on the skin. So I'll be putting the sugar little by little. Don't just turn everything inside. Just put it little by little, gently. Put it bit by bit. Yeah. Yes, so I'm mixing that all through while I put the sugar in a little quantities. So I'm mixing that and putting the sugar bit by bit, mixing and putting the sugar bit by bit, mixing and putting the sugar bit by bit. Just trust the process. You know, this scrub is an amazing. The scrub smells exactly the way it looks. It's so bubble gummy. It depends on the fragrance you want to use. I use a fragrance called fruity. So when a fragrance is called fruity, you should imagine what it smells like. Now look at that consistency. You can decide to leave your scrub like this, no biggie, no issue at all. But for what I want to use it for, I decided to add a little bit more of that sugar. And I made a little mess there. That's crazy. It's fine. We can make a little waste. Okay, so now I'm mixing that all through. The consistency is just great if I want to make a scrub that I want to be using every day in my, sorry, not every day, please. You don't scrub you don't exfoliate your skin every day. I exfoliate my skin 2 times a week. I spread it. For example, if I exfoliate my skin on Tuesday, the next time I'll be exfoliating my skin would be maybe Friday. Okay, so that's how I spread it through. Yes, so what I mean, if this is the scrub I want to be using in the bathroom, whenever I want to scrub, this is the consistency I like. This very consistency, not too strong, not too soft. This very consistency is perfect, you know. But because I want to use it for something, I decided to make my own a bit thicker than this consistency. However, I decided I don't want a boring looking scrub, so I decided to add in some jojoba bits, which is another abrasive, but I added a little. It's not showing because it's brown. I know if I have added the blue color, it would have shown. Now I'm just pressing it all down together. I'm going to cover this and set it aside for 15 hours. Yes, you heard me right. 15 hours. Look at her. She's looking so gorgeous. So I'll cover that, set that aside for 15 hours. Now you're going to see the reason why this is important. Now 15 hours later, I'll open it for you to see. I want to cough. Don't mind me. Excuse me. I'm a lady. Now, see the oil on top. This is why you don't just finish your scrub and pack it into your container and keep it. This oil will just disgrace you. It will disgrace you. If you're going to sell this, it will disgrace you. That's why you have to set it aside and mix it again. But after mixing it the second time, trust me, the oil will not settle again. The science is really, really beautiful. I love formulating, honestly. Look at how she's looking. She's gorgeous. She's so beautiful. Just mix that. Just, get it together. and then you pack it. You have yourself a beautiful scrub. Look at that scrub balls looking so gorgeous and beautiful and fruity and yummy. I feel like eating this right now. So I'm just packing that into the container. It's so nice how you use this to scrub your body with all the oil. You will not feel, after rinsing it off, you will not feel any oil residue on your skin. Just a beautiful polish, unlike the emulsified scrub. But don't worry, I'll still teach you how to make emulsified body scrub. See how gorgeous it is. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and click the notification bell.